It's been great. My name is Vitaly Sandyrev, and I'm a CEO at UpFix. And what we do is we rebuild electronics. We refurbish parts to make sure to give them second life. So we actually used maybe 4 or 5 other companies before, and we just get frustrated and just do the work ourselves, but we don't have the manpower to do that. So yeah, it's been really, really frustrating to find a good company to work with. Really, really hard. Very knowledgeable. And any questions we have, Eugene and Ilya, and of course, Olga are very helpful and always quick to respond, great communication. And the team is great. Anything regarding Google Analytics to programming to basically, software, any software questions we have. Yeah, I've been working with Symfa for the past, I think like 4 years now, and it's been great. And looking forward to continuing to work for many years because of the great solutions you guys provide. And I look good in front of the company and everything because everything's running smooth.